they're cheering for New York, New York. Well, New Yorkers are cheering for the essential workers. Okay? Okay. So, I just finished filming this video on this hair. So, it's kind of a mohawk, kind of not. But I'll show you. And then we have this side. So, my hair has dropped. I started filming 9 this morning. It is 7:03. So I'm gonna pin curl my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna wrap it to get in the shower and when I go to bed to maintain the style. And then I'm gonna show you tomorrow how it looks when I get up. And what I do to touch it up. So I'm just gonna pin curl. I try not to put a lot of pin curls in my hair because they are not comfortable. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna make them big. They loud today, boo. I'm gonna make them big and chunky. Well, they didn't clap too loud yesterday, so I'm gonna make them big and chunky because I don't want a bunch of these. But I'm gonna pin curl maybe 2 in each row, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the back. So I'm gonna jump in and out, voiceover slash in the video. You already know. So yes, basically pin curling, big, small. It depends on my mood. It doesn't really depend on what curl I want because the hair is already curled. It's already trained. But this day I just was doing big chunky. Sometimes I do small sections. Like right here, it's 2 flat pins. What are you saying, Diana? It's 2 pin curls per row, but sometimes I'll do 3 pin curls. Sometimes I'll do 1. Like today, I filmed a video and the last section that I'm doing right now, I just added 1 big pin curl. It doesn't matter because you're gonna break up the curls anyway. As long as they're still formed and set, you'll be fine. So the back is kind of tricky because you have some going forward and some going back. The section that I'm holding right now, right here, basically I didn't curl it like that again. I used a C curl, so I took that whole middle section, did a C curl, and then everything after that I curled it back, and then everything before that I curled it going forward. So it's forward, C, and then back, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so now that is all pin curled, I don't know where I got this from, but this is like a little mesh stocking cap with a hole. I don't know what the hole is for, but I'm going to use it to keep these pins in place. This net came in really handy, but like I said, I'm very tender-headed for some reason. Well, I guess as I'm getting older, I don't know, your body changing. But I couldn't sleep with that because it was pressing down on my scalp, and I didn't want that next to my ears, and I didn't use the mesh wrap either. It's good, but I don't, it's not for me. You could do it, but it ain't for me. So I put my mesh wrap on. If you don't want to put a mesh wrap on, you can definitely put a bonnet on. I'd rather do this than the mesh wrap. I'd rather leave this for when I'm styling. So part 1 is done. I'll see you tomorrow. So I am back days later. This is what it's looking like. It's cute when you comb it out, but I'm going to show you how I revamp it. The sides are cute. You know, the sides is going to get tattered because I speak really wild. So I'm going to show you how I revamp it. Nothing crazy. 1 or 2 curls may be needed to be touched up. You're going to see that on camera. I'm going to get my supplies and we're going to start. So I'm going to use my Beyond Its Own. Spray that, comb it out, see what we got to do. But I'm going to first take care of my sides. My sides always need to be touched up. I don't know about you, but I sleep wild. Not wild, but I'm always like, you know, moving around. You know, it's nighttime. So I'm going to touch up my sides, and then I'm going to spray this down and then comb it out and see what we got going on. And I may just check out what, you know, the curls look like after I comb them out. And then I'll see what needs to be touched up. Because you don't want to curl everything, and it don't need to be curled. I found her. I haven't used her in so long. My brush is all beat up. The Diane brush. My OGs for the hair know what it is. So I'm just going to brush my hair down. This is my OG. Oh, I miss my brush. This is my OG brush. Yes, get the sides together. I always touch up my sides, like I said. I cannot get away from touching my sides up. So, yeah. Just put more on there. I'm just going to put this on here and I'm going to brush. If you're anything like me, you're going to be obsessed with your sides. You're going to want your sides to be super laid, super straight. You know what I mean? Like the Diana way. But you're going to always have to touch up your sides, which is fine. Because the middle is like, it's messy, sexy, big curls. I just love this hairstyle. Oh my God, I filmed today and I just love this look. But yeah, just make sure your sides are straight and the middle is fine, girl. Don't stress about the middle because you want them big, sexy curls. Now the heat protected Beyond Its Own, I love this, but when I start to flat iron and curl my hair, you're gonna see like steam. It's steam, it's not smoke. Plus when you see that I'm showing you the curling iron I'm using, the curling iron was already smoking because I had sprayed it with some heat protectant as well, because they said if you do that it'll make your heat tools work better. So yeah, so it's steam coming out. It's not any, like, I'm not burning my hair. It's steam, y'all. I don't want to see y'all in my comments talking about you burning your hair because it's steam. This is Sebastian Shaper Plus. This is all Sally's had. Everybody done bought everything up in the quarantine. That's the Tropical Roots. Do not use this on your sides. I will never use this again on my sides. It's cute for like baby hair on your frontal and I guess ponytails, but it made my hair super stiff and like waxy looking. So yeah, and I just kept pumping it in my hair, child. But it's okay because I went right in the shower and rinsed my sides off and my hair was intact. Yes. So we're gonna tie that down with the wrap strip and we're gonna basically we're done. We're done. I just want to show you guys how I revamp it in the morning, how I take care of it to go to sleep at night. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, okay? And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.